Hey family, I just wanted to give you guys an update on the Muddy Chicken Run cleanup. Now, on that day when I showed you guys, it had been raining for about 2 days straight, and this entire chicken run was flooded out. All this area here was completely flooded. Up under the coop was flooded. Everything was a muddy mess. So one of the things that I did initially was get some of the wood chips that I had, and I spread wood chips in here to kind of soak up some of that water, which helped at the time. And then the following day, once it had stopped raining, not necessarily dried out, I ended up coming around the back perimeter of the chicken coop and chicken run, and laying down, as you can see, those wood chips. It's about maybe 2 to 3 feet outside from the perimeter of it. And here in the back, we have you have like the newer or dried out newer chips there, and some of the darker ones, and that's probably about 4 or 5 feet. Now the problem is that as the water runs down, that's kind of like a little hill. It's a low spot. It starts to become a low spot as you come down to the chicken coop. However, I never noticed that it was that muddy before. It would get a little muddy and a little wet, but never that bad. So I just brought it all the way around just to prevent that muddy mess. Someone suggested that I use pine pellets that they use for horses, and I think I will use that next time. I'll get some of those and use them. And this area down here really didn't get impacted because I've been building that up with leaves and banana leaves and things of that nature, and some of the chicken poop, because I plan on planting there this spring. But as you can see, it's a beautiful sunny day. All my chickies are nice and dry, trying to bust out of their home, but can't let them out. I think I seen some eagles the other day, so not only do we have hawks, I think we have eagles. I just want to give you guys an update on how I fix my muddy chicken run. Thanks for watching. Keep gardening.